No landscape hardscape project is 100% complete without lighting. You wouldn't buy a car you can only drive during the day. You can see our Fusion and Hive series lights by In-Lite Starry Night lighting on our privacy screen and the raffinado cap on our benches. We're installing them using the patented water swivel from In-Lite on our hammer drill. The connectors are included with all the fixtures, and a twist of the wrist is all that it takes. We have extension cords on our pre-wired site. Will be ready to go. All I need to do is put my halo down darks above my grill island, and the new Puck 22 series available in dark or brushed. It puts out a 360-degree ambient halo light. Can't wait to see that. I'll check my transformer. It's digital, it's dual zone. It has the optional motion sensor hub transformer by In-Lite. Once my fire feature is on intimate or full flame, this area will be a family favorite.